मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि ज़िंदगी क्या वसूल है, प्यार के बदले में सब प्यार मिलता, लेकिन साला जब हमारी बारी आई तो ज़िंदगी वसूली बदल दी। तो आज से हम भी बदलेंगे, हमारा अंदाज़े ज़िंदगी बदलेगा, राब्ता सबसे होगा कि वास्ता किसी से नहीं। Good morning all of you.
Good morning.
Today's our presentation, this is very good because we know that in this session also our eye contact is very important, because in this session our everything is our camera. That's our we have to focus on it, and in this session we have to speak very clearly. And today my topic is Lala Lajpat Rai. He's a freedom fighter. He's very good person in the past time, and but he died in the past time also. And you know that he born in the our India, but he did time he did in the Lahore, and he do the lots of things for our India. He also do the protest for our India in the lots of, and also he is very big person who do the work for the Simon Commission, because he always want that Simon Commission run from our India. That's it is not good, and also according to me, he is very great freedom fighter, because according to for the he Bhagat Singh and lots of person killed the lots of person, because he did by the lathi charge. That's it is not good. According to me, he is very biggest freedom fighter, and he do the lots of things, and by the him lots of person will get the experience. That's also he is very good. And also Swami Dayanand is his person, and his and he also took the, and his teacher name is Swami Dayanand, and he took the lots of things by him. And in our time also lots of person are present in their family, and but now time he by his name one college is present in the Pakistan. That's condition is very good, but their name will change slowly, just like in the past time that college name on the Lala Lajpat Rai, but now name is changed. That's reason you can thought our freedom fighters name will change. That's it's not good. And you know also he make the one hospital in that time when he present, just like in 1928 time he make one hospital in Lahore, but now time Lahore is present in Pakistan, and also and he make that hospital in only 2 lakhs, and in now time that hospital is very big, and that hospital is present in 40 acres. That's it is so bigger hospital, and in the now time it's present in the Lahore, and so many person go for the treatment here, because this is the biggest hospital of the Pakistan in the of the heart. That's all person go there for the other person. And also you know that his mother name is Gulab Devi. That season that also that hospital name is Gulab Devi Hospital. That season it's so good, and also in he do the lots of things for us, and also in now time so many person take the inspiration to him, and also in now time we have to learn lots of things by him, just like he's also a student of the lawyer, and also he do the after then become a lawyer, he also do the lots of things for the in the court for the us. That's it is very good. And also he face a number of problems, just like he go in the preach a lots of time. That's it's not good. And also it's in that time also for the him lots of person are do the other thing for him, just like when he go in the jail, then lots of person support him, and they told him and they support him from the outside, and also his lots of books are also present in our life. He wrote down the lots of books from the jail. That season no, more than 20 books is present in our time his, and his some books is Freedom India, and also lots of books is present. That season also you can buy that everyone books on the Amazon, and also it's and you know that also he do the in the past time he also collect the money for do the protest, just like in the past time he also took the money for the make the hospital, just like he do the lots of he make the NGO, just like lots of things. That season he is also very helpful person, and also he helped lots of person in that time. but in now time in now time person have not idea for do this, and in now time I also support him because he, and you know also he known as a Punjab Kesari, and also he is a very good person and very, and thank you.